Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English in Daily Life.
Hi, friends. We're happy you're here today.
This is a safe place to practice English slowly, step by step.
Yes, and today's topic is very useful.
Today, we talk about asking for help politely.
We ask for help every day, at home, at work, on the street.
But how do we ask politely in English?
Don't worry, we will practice together.
Before we start, please like this episode.
And subscribe if you want easy English every week.
Now, relax. Listen first.
Jackson, why is being polite important?
Good question. Being polite shows respect.
Yes, people feel good when we are polite.
And people want to help you more.
That's true.
So today, we learn simple polite phrases.
Easy words, easy sentences.
Let's start with the most important word.
The word is please.
Please is a magic word.
Listen carefully. Example 1. Can you help me, please?
Listen again. Can you help me, please?
Very good. Now another one.
Please open the door.
Simple, clear, polite.
Now, let's compare.
Help me. Not very polite.
Right, but this is better. Can you help me, please?
Good job. You're doing great.
Now, let's learn 2 polite question forms.
First, can you?
Example. Can you show me the way?
Listen again. Can you show me the way?
Now the second one.
Could you?
Could you help me with this bag?
Very polite. A little more polite than can you.
Yes, both are good for daily life.
Let's repeat together.
Could you help me, please?
Excellent. You're improving already.
Let's listen to a short conversation.
Excuse me, could you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Could you show me this shirt, please?
Of course.
Now, pause. Did you hear, excuse me?
Yes, excuse me is very polite.
Let's repeat. Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Great job. Now another example.
Excuse me, can you tell me the time, please?
Very natural, very common.
You can also say, excuse me, can you help me?
Short and polite.
Now let's talk about work or school.
Listen to this sentence.
Could you explain this again, please?
This is great for class.
Or at work, you can say, can you help me with this file, please?
Simple English is okay.
Yes, clear English is better than hard English.
Good job for learning this.
Now, very important.
Always say thank you.
After help, say thank you.
Or, a little warmer,
Thank you so much.
or,
Thanks for your help.
let's practice. Thank you so much for your help.
Perfect.
Now, listen first.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Discuss in your head. Is this polite?
Yes, very polite.
Now listen again. Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Say it out loud if you can.
That's how you improve.
Let's recap today's key phrases.
1. Please.
2. Can you help me, please?
3. Could you help me, please?
4. Excuse me.
And 5. Thank you so much.
These small words make big differences.
You did a great job today.
Yes, be proud of yourself.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, when was the last time you asked for help?
At home, at work, on the street.
Write one simple sentence.
For example, I asked for help at the shop.
We read your comments.
And we learn together.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.